broken zipper. Let's grab your materials and let's get sewing. Start by tearing the old zipper from the jacket. And we got these two pieces here, so we're just gonna attach them together. We can use thread for sewing them together. We can use the machine, and we can also use pins for joining them. After, we're gonna join the zipper on the other side, but make sure that you check the hemline if it's attached together. And I recommend by sewing them by hand first before you run them through the machine to avoid some mistakes, or you can just use the pins. Try to pin the other piece to the other side just to make sure that we don't sew them when we run them through the machine. And now we're gonna join the zipper on the other side of the jacket, or if you're really good on sewing already, you can just use the pins. Me, I usually do the hand stitch first just to avoid mistakes. And now we're done, so we're just gonna run them through the machine. Just remember to match the thread. You know, I use the black thread here so that I don't have to tear it apart. It's less work, but it's up to you.